Hi, welcome to Sky Pie Baking. Today we're making apple cupcakes. If you're feeling especially spooky, then you can call them poison apple cupcakes. You'll need apple spice cake mix. You'll need red frosting, red sanding sugar, and a little bit of lime green fondant. So you take a cupcake that has been frosted with red frosting, and then you get a bowl of red sanding sugar, and then you put the cupcake upside down, and then you pat it in the sanding sugar. Then you stick it in the middle of the cupcake. So we have green fondant to make our leaves. So here's your poison apple cupcake. It only takes just one bite. Thanks for joining Sky Pie Baking. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.